The Resources section shows a more in-depth overview of your in-progress transaction, whether that be going out or coming into your supply chain. On the Resource Out section, you can check the status of the resources you listed, number of views, offers, transactions, and actions. By toggling the icons under Actions, you can update, view the resource, check notifications, or duplicate the listing. You can also search the resource by entering its title or resource ID. On the Resources In section, you can view the list of resources you want to bring into your supply chain. You can also check the status, views, offers, transactions, and actions.